pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I have Ipsy Plus, and it's a little bit bigger of a box. I'm thinking that the refreshments might be in here. So, are you guys ready to do an unboxing? I am super excited. It has taken what feels like forever in getting here. Oh, been wanting this box for a while. Definitely wanted to check out the refreshments too. I know a few of you have gotten that, so I'm kind of hoping. One thing I always forget when I go to the store is razors. And I'm pretty sure they give you one the first time. All right, let's see. Oh, okay, yeah. Here is what it looks like. This is what I've got. Let's see. Let's just pull everything out here. Okay, I have to admit, when I looked at my account for Ipsy, I was like not really impressed with what they chose for me. And I really didn't like the choices either, so I was kind of like, you know. But let's see. All right, so let's figure out what is what here. It looks like that's part of the plus, and then this is probably the, yes, this is the refreshments. Okay, we'll do the refreshments last, and let's see what we've got here. Okay, the first thing I see is Pixie Clarity Lotion. I'm not a big fan of Pixie products. I will be honest with you. It's drugstore, and I don't always get along. This here, it's an oil-free moisturizer, it says. Let's open her up. They no longer come with cards either with prices, so I'll have to put that separate. Oh, okay, this is just like oozing out without me even touching it. It's definitely a really slimy moisturizer. I put too much. Okay. Do you remember when BB cream was super popular? Well, here it is. I never really got into this. This is by Perlice. It's a Silk Glow BB Base Primer. Oh, so this is a primer. Okay. Here is what the packaging looks like. Oil-free, satin, natural glow finish, extends makeup wear. Alright, so let's see. Let's see what it looks like. There's no seal. But it definitely looks like a primer. It's got the thick consistency for one. And it's got a little bit of a tint to it. I don't know if you'll be able to pick that up. But there it is there. I'll have to try this out. It's definitely feeling like it's smoothing out my skin. Okay, cool. I love trying primers. I love it, love it, love it. You just never know. This is why we get these boxes. Oh, if I forgot to mention, this is the $25 a month box. Okay, so far we got a moisturizer, and we got the BB cream by Perlice. And now I see Coalife Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. Oh, I love getting cleansers, so that's actually good. I never have to buy them. It's awesome. This one here looks like a really, really nice cleanser. This is one of those that doesn't have beads in it. The beads are great for exfoliating, but when you have like drier skin, and it's this time of year, it's like that, sometimes you want to switch up a cleanser. This one feels like it would be nice and soft on your skin. So, okay. Let's see what this is. This kind of looks like candy, a box for candy. Half Caked Totally Tubular Mascara. Oh, okay, okay. Let's see. Let's open her up. Okay. I've never heard of this. Totally Tubular I have not heard of this mascara. Half Caked. I don't think I've heard of that brand, or maybe I have. I don't know. Have you guys heard of this brand? Let me know in the comments below. So I'm not going to try the mascara because I don't want it to dry out, but I always like getting mascara. I'll be honest with you there. Okay, so now, Plum Premonition. What does this say? It's really hard to see the writing because of the way the packaging is, if you can tell. Belle and Argent. Belle and Argent? This has got to be an eyeshadow palette. It says Panchromatic eyeshadow palette. Alright. Let's open her up. Oh wow, the box is super tight. Okay. Packaging is cute. Look at that. So there's 8 shadows in here. The names are on the back of the palette. Ooh. Oh, guys. It's got these colors. It seems like almost every brand has got an eyeshadow palette with colors similar to this. Okay, so the colors are on the back, but it also has this little sheet right here that has the colors. And then the mirror's got an eye on it. That's kind of cute. And a protective thing. All right, well, we'll swatch these. How's that? Let's do it. Okay. Ooh, they feel creamy. Oh, that one's like crumbling. Okay, we got them here. This is the first row. You know what? Oh, here we go. Okay, not bad. It looks like there's a pressed glitter in here too. Let's do the second row. Ooh. Yeah, that's definitely a pressed glitter. Yep, you see it? Not bad. I wonder how they perform. There's only one way to find out, right guys? I think I see them right. Kayla's home. The kids got let out early today because of a storm that's supposed to be heading our way. Alright, so not bad. I will definitely put the value of all the products on the screen. And do you want to see a look with this? Let me know. Okay, this was the bag for this month, which is super cute. And I do like these drawstring bags. It holds everything. It's not like the little ones we used to get, you know. Oh, there is a card. That's right. Okay, okay. But this doesn't have like the products or anything. So, let's just recap. The eyeshadow palette, the BB Base Primer, the Clarity Lotion, the mascara, and the cleanser. I love that it fits in here. Love that. Okay, so now, Ipsy Refreshments. This is my first time getting that. Look at the drawstring bag. This one is more of like a silky kind of bag. Let's see. Looks like we got stickers. What is up with the stickers? FabFitFun sent us stickers. I mean, what do they think we're going to do with them? Seriously. Okay, so it comes with a pamphlet and it says, get ready to jazz things up. Welcome to your party for one. Okay. Our Sparkling Clean Promise. Now this is the stuff that it says it's vegan, it's free of parabens, phthalates, sulfates, formulated without gluten and nut allergies. So this, I remember seeing that when I logged on to Ipsy, that they're always going to be sending with the refreshments vegan products, which I think is great. This is what the inside of the card looks like. And this is the line on the back of it. The skincare line, right? Yep. Okay, so now let's open this. At least I don't have to buy razors now. Haha, love that. Okay, let's see. Now, I think the starter kit was free. And then it starts at like $5 a month, I think, after that. I'm not really sure. Okay, this is what it looks like here. When you open it up, there's 2 blades in here. This is the handle. The handle's got some weight to it. Okay. This here is the little suction cup where obviously you would hang it in the shower. I like that. They don't always stay for me though. And then here you've got blades and little seals. I'm going to open one up. This has a 5 blade on it. And of course you just pop this in here like this, and then to release it you would hit this again. Okay, so I'm excited. Honestly, this looks like a really quality razor, and it feels like it too. So I'm gonna have to let you guys know how this works. I'm sure it works great. I mean, 5 blades, it's gonna do something. So that is everything I got for Ipsy April of 2021. Now, did you like your bag? I know that last month they blew everyone away. We got to choose 3 products, of course, and I chose the Makeup Forever foundation plus the Anastasia foundation. So I was like in heaven with just these 2 products alone. This month a little bit different, but I'm not mad. I think that the primer I'm excited to try, and the mascara is always useful. Was this worth 25 bucks? In my opinion, it absolutely is. Don't know if I'll use the Pixi product. I'm really kind of, my skin with moisturizer, I've got to use certain ones, otherwise I'll break out from that. So I don't know if that I'll try that or not, because I really like to use the higher end ones that don't have as much of a thickness to it, a very thin, or like a serum for hydrating. Those are what I actually prefer. So thank you for joining me for this video. Put all of your thoughts, comments, concerns, any of that stuff down below, and I will talk to you guys real soon in another video.